Mad bugger that she is.
I heard that.
Whoops, busted.
Behind my back. You've got something to say to me first.
Well, you are mad. You bloody nuts.
Do you want a pie, you know?
Yes, please. Thank you very much. That's very kind of you. Sorry. Looks like I'm getting fed, which makes me happy. With a bit of luck, I might get a coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. And he likes the charts. Let's see if we can make 50 quid out of the euro.
Wait. Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. If this is your first time here, I'm the big fella, that is the Scruffy trader. What I'm trying to do is put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. So if that sounds good, do take a second to hit that little subscribe button. Genuinely helps. And we'll crack on. So euro. Why 50 quid and why trade it in the first place? Well, it's an odd day today. It's Monday. And I don't like trading on a Monday. But I also like to kind of put my money where my mouth is, where the squad is concerned. And I did a breakdown for them on the euro. I did one on the pound as well. But I ain't trading the pound because there's a lot of news on it. Today, Truss has decided that going to do a U-turn on the high-level tax. Now, this could have a ripple effect into the market. And, well, my theory is always the same. If I don't understand it, I won't trade it. That's simple. So, euro. Euro is not so bad. It's already on this train that just doesn't seem to end on a plunge down. And I think it's going to carry on today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flick the screens on and I'm going to trade it. But I'm going to be very conservative with it. And when I'm conservative, I look for a 50 quid minimum target. And then I move forward from there. Oh, thanks very much.
There you go. Even though you insulted me.
Didn't insult you, but I'll insult you now. You've insulted me. Where's the coffee?
Got a coffee?
I haven't. I've finished that one.
You're quick.
I know. Quick at everything. Ka-dum. Say. Well, I'm not. Actually, I am. I might be fat, but I'm fast. I can still outrun her. I have to. I can. What do you mean I can? I've beat you in races loads of times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once. Because I fell over.
That was hilarious. I've still got it on film, actually. And if she puts her lip up any further, I might show you. You putting your lip up or are you getting the coffee? Getting the coffee. See. Right, boys and girls. You never know. I might slip that into a video one day because it was a funny day. Right, okay. Let us get back to this. As I've said, I've already told the guys half an hour ago what I'm doing here. Full breakdown. I also give them a heads up on biases. Now, this was sort of 10 to the hour. And you can see it there. It's a sell, it's an A, but it told me to wait. Which is kind of why I'm waiting now to 1:30. I needed to see it relax. Now, it is relaxing at this moment in time. Still got a little bit further to go. But let me explain this. If you pull this out to the hourly, you can see it's had a thumper, pushed down, it's had another wave, it's pushed down, but now it's failing to break the tops. Okay? Right, that's a good indicator. So I can see what's happened here. I was looking at these zones. It slammed down and it's found this one. So what I'm going to do is I want to enter in this white area and then I want to sort of see if it'll come down into this red one, which ties in with these clusters here. Okay. Now, if I push this out to a 4 hour, just so we can see what's going on. There's the main drive. There's the push. This level is held. And now it seems to be rolling over. So even if I'm looking at this as a retracement, that gives me a good level here and a super level here, which again ties in with the clusters. And it's all about reading the charts and being a bit patient, guys. And there you are, you can see it's moving up. So what I'm going to be looking to do shortly is I will place an order underneath the candle. It's not quite there yet. Maybe it's another couple of minutes. Let this candle close, and then we'll put an order under that, and then we're going to follow it up and then roll it over. That's the plan. And hopefully we get a few quids out of it. Now, I don't have anything running. It's the start of my week, and I've made nothing. So whatever I do today helps for the next 3 days, because my trading style is Tuesday through Thursday. I look to get around £200 a day off that. And why is that? Well, it's all part of my journal and how I trade, because on my journals I have a wage maker, and this wage maker works out how much I can get, or how much I need to do to get 30,000. All right, so that's my game plan. That's what I'm up to. Okay, so I'm working to this year, and as you can see, it's starting to go red. So I was right to kind of hold off just a second, because I want to see what's going on, which means I would have an order here. But we're going to trail it. We're going to let this candle close first. If it closes red, I'll be putting the order there. If it closes green, I'll be putting it underneath the tail. Okay, but it's about ready. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll leave the camera running. We'll see the trade, and then I'll come back to you with a little bit of advice at the end. Okay. Okay, guys, stopped out, but it's done pretty much what I wanted it to do. I always stage into a trade because that is a sensible thing to do. And it has pulled me 101, double where I wanted it to be, and nothing's left running. So what was the premise of the trade? It was really a continuation of a bigger trend, but then working within a trading arena. And that trading arena, if I just pull this back, is this. And why this? Well, there's a solid move. It's failed to go any higher, so therefore it has to come down. There's a couple of roadblocks in the way, which is one here and there's another one there. So it's just measured into where I think the stall points are, but then also target appropriately. I know this jostles around a little bit, and if I get 50 quid, I'm happy with that. One of the worst things you can do with trading is be greedy. If you're greedy, you'll swing for the fences. Swing for the fences, you'll often find that the market has a bigger bat than what you do. So just be careful. Get in, get out, get paid. That's what day trading is all about. You know, and if you're hanging on for the big winners, or you want to be Billy Big Bollocks saying, oh, I hang on for 200 pips. They don't happen that often. At your 10, 20, 30 pips, size it up appropriately and be happy with the target. And you'll find that you make more money at the end of the week. Simple stuff. Well, I think it's simple anyway. I know the guys in the Discord mock me all the time. Simple stuff. It is. And the first part of simple stuff is discipline. You have to be disciplined and you have to wait. Now, I waited all morning for this trade to come into play. And why? Patience. And then from patience, I have discipline. I get in roughly where I want to be. I stage backwards. So that helps if I've got it wrong. And then I just have a set monetary target and I'm happy. And that's it. That's trading in a nutshell, guys. So if that's inspired you to sort of enhance your own trading, I'm very easy found. There's loads of links down in the description. If you want to try Prop Fund, there's 5% off. If you're looking for a good broker, do check out Black Bull. It's one of the few that'll give you good leverage at this moment in time. And that's it. That's what I do. I do it every day. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Using the basic tools that you'll find in the description. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love. And the money will follow. See you all in the next one.